first one is our vast library of connectivity options. So we've seen hundreds of different systems over the years, many different connectivity protocols, and they're all part of our platform, which means there's no data source out there to which we cannot connect.
So let's call it, in the age of AI, smart connectivity?
Yes, exactly. I think it's smart connectivity. The second one is our data mapping engine. It's a very versatile, strong engine where you can map any data structure to any target structure effectively. But the really powerful thing is that it can run very high workloads, because as we know supply chain, and we learned it over the many, many years, we know that mission-critical workloads contain large volumes of transactions. So our bigger customers are doing over 100 million integration jobs every year, if not way more, and I'm quite proud of that as well.
KEP connectors work this way. You map your internal system, your ERP, your TMS, what happens to be that you're tracking your packages then. You can map it to our internal format, and that internal format is then mapped to the various connectors here. In this case, we've set it up that FedEx and UPS is already in use by A to Z. They want to add DHL right now. Well, let's go and see about how that can be done. We go back into our partners and channels again. We've got KEP connector. They're already set up with the standard connections here. This could be OAuth 2 or something like that, but let's use DHL Express here right now. Let me go in here, grab my username and password here. Add that in. I can now use DHL.